Hey, what's up? It's Devon. Thanks for speaking with me on the phone earlier today, and thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website that you guys can fix super easily so you can start bringing in a ton more customers. You're probably wondering why I'd even make this video for you, and it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners that are too busy running their business, and they just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't really know who is an expert and who isn't. So what I started doing was giving away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back and some people don't. It doesn't matter. I'm just trying to educate as many business owners as I can. And today I'm going to tell you about 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. But first I want to start by saying I like your website. I like how you have the picture of you and your family. It kind of creates more of a personal vibe and it can help you connect to your customers. I like the van. It shows people what they should expect to show up to their house or their place of work if they call you. But what Google really cares about is content. So basically right here, anything people can read is considered content. So with content in Google, the more the merrier. The average website on the front page of Google has right around 1,500 to 2,000 words. So that's kind of where you want to be sitting. So if I copy all this and I put it into this word counter, you have around 321 words. So pretty far away from that mark. I would highly recommend that you get to that mark. So, but if I go to one of your competitors' websites and I also copy theirs and put it in this word counter, they have around 1,000 words. So they're closer to that mark. But the thing is that both of you guys are not considered authorities. You are both not at that 1,500 word mark. So by getting yourself to that mark, you're going to separate that gap, but it also gives you more room to do the most important part, which is adding keywords to your content. So keyword or anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So for example, carpet cleaning Thousand Oaks would be an example of a keyword. And a way you could include that into your content is by saying, "We are the carpet company that Thousand Oaks residents love." So that's one way you can do it. Another way you can include keywords is by saving these images as keywords. So for example, if I go here, save image as, instead of this corner guards 2, you could save it as carpet cleaning Thousand Oaks. And that's just one way you can stuff these keywords in there. My second tip for you is called backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere that you find one website linking to another via a clickable text, or pretty much anywhere where another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to it. So this is really important because Google is like a popularity contest. They want to see trustworthy websites vouching for your website. They don't just want to see any links though. They want to see relevant ones, which means that you will get more power with other carpet cleaning and tile cleaning companies linking to you versus having a company like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you aren't a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out these backlinks is called Ahrefs. So Ahrefs is a paid tool. You do not have to use it. There are plenty of other free tools out there. So here it says you only have 33 links, while your competitor has 15 links. So you're probably wondering why you have more, but yet he's ranking above you. Well, not all links are created equal. So this guy has fewer links, but if they're more powerful, they will rank him above you. So what I would do, and the easiest way to beat them, is to copy them, because if these links are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you. So I'd go in here and I'd look at your competitor's links, and I'd get these links also linking towards me. So the best ones that like I said before, the best ones to have linking back to you are relevant ones. So if you follow just these 2 tips, you will beat them in content and backlinks. This is how you will become #1 spot in the organics, which is where I found your competitor right here, ZeroRez SoCal. And the last thing I'm going to talk to you about is how to show up here in the map pack. So if you want to show up right above here in these Google guaranteed, pretty much all you have to do is pay more than your competitors. So it's like a cost per click type of thing. I could show you how to do that if you're interested, but what I'm going to show you about is how to show up right here. So to show up here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your business name, number, and address are shown exactly per your Google business profile and directories. So a directory is a place like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, BBB, and others you might have heard of. Just places where you can list your business's information. These are extremely important for local business owners, because these could help you generate huge amounts of revenue because you're showing up right here at the top. So the idea is that these begin to add up and create your online presence, allowing you to be seen more often by both people and by Google. And once you are seen more by Google than your competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them. So what I would do is I'd figure out what directories your top competitors are in, put my stuff in those same ones, and add a bunch more on top. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. I tried to keep it as short and to the point as I could. So once again, you want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your home page here. You want to have more relevant and trustworthy sites linking back to you. And you also want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than your competitors to show up here. So if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you will become the #1 website all across Google. So now you have 2 options. You can either take this information and do it yourself, and I highly recommend that you start right away because it does take some time, and the sooner that you get your website at the top, the sooner you can start making more money. Or if you have any questions or want me to do this for you, feel free to give me a call at 805-750-7008. Once again, my name is Devon, and my number is 805-750-7008. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one. Bye.